Yeah, here we have this Apollo Canyon electric bike. This has been made into an electric bike. I'll show you the electric part in a minute, but let's just talk about the bike stuff first. We have the narrowest bars you have ever seen. They are absolutely tiny. There's the size of the gear shifter. I'll zoom outwards. Pull back the camera rather, because there's no zoom. It has a massive zoom stem on it. Has this brake lever. Doesn't do anything. It's totally dead. Has these really useless mechanical disc brakes. The disc is painted a goldy sort of colour, and so is the caliper. Novica, N-O-V-I-C-A, Novaca, I don't know. Who cares? It's got SR Suntour forks with steel lower legs, so you already know there's quality there. No adjustable speed, preload. Got Pro Disc wheels on it. See what the front reflector. Change that. Get rid of those. No one uses them. It's got a coil rear shock, no damping or anything like that. It's a K-speed one. It's got a front derailleur, but you don't do much anymore. Someone's cut the actual cage part of it, whatever you call it. That does absolutely nothing. It's got this SR Suntour crankset, no play in it surprisingly. Bottom bracket's still good. It's got an Oxford box bag thing on the back. In the box bag thing we have, well, Mintness. This is as I got, well, this isn't as I got it, it was together. This controller does work, or at least I think it does. But the whole sensors are screwed up, so the whole sensors are not doing anything. This motor on here is a 1000-watt generic 9C clone. The rim looks quite beefy, but she's obviously had a really hard time. There's a crack there, there's a crack there, there's a crack there, there's a crack there. Some of these spokes are still tight though. Maybe where the spoke is actually tight, where it's cracked, that's the thing. It's just like they tried to wind the tension up crazy and it's just cracked it, and the wheel is obviously bent as well. I mean, it is still rideable for now, but you don't know. You know what they say about cracks in aluminium and steel? They can propagate at about the speed of sound, so 1 minute it could be fine, 1 minute you could be on the floor. This is the way it is. Nylon bushings, of course, on this thing. The actual bike side of it looks pretty clean. It's only a crappy old Apollo, but in these times, people like those. Oh, we have got torque arms as well. We've got some pretty nice torque arms on here. Big old steel plates. Just quite nice. There's the rack that sits under it. That looks like it's from the bleeding 1980s, 1970s even. Yeah. That concludes. Oh, on the big battery. There's another video on what battery came in here. It was absolutely atrocious. Yeah, see the video for that. That was something else. It was like playing a very dangerous game of Pass the Parcel. It was just layers and layers of duct tape. Once you got inside it, basically ultra fire 18650s glued together with a load of hot melt. Yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.